Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check previous location on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Let us say you have your iPhone and you want to see where it has been. I will show you the best method using your iPhone settings, and I will also go through a couple of alternative options. Open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. At the top, you will see location services. Tap on it. Here, you will notice a list of apps that use your location either while using the app or always. But what we want is a bit farther down. Scroll down and select System Services. From there, scroll down again to the bottom and find Significant Locations. Tap on it. If this feature is turned on, your iPhone records key locations you have visited to provide personalized services, like traffic routing. You'll see a history of locations with timestamps and addresses. Tap on any of these entries to view specific details. If you want to clear your location history, just tap Clear History at the bottom. Alternative options. If significant locations is turned off or you want to see additional history, there are a couple of other ways. Google Maps Timeline. Open Google Maps and tap on the search bar. Go to your timeline to see a visual history of places you have been. It will show you dates, times, and specific routes. Find My app. Open the Find My app and tap on Devices at the bottom. Select your device and it will show its current location. If the location hasn't been updated recently, it will display the last known location, giving you an idea of where it was last seen. That is everything you need to know about how to check previous location on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.